Hey loves, I'm going to take you on how I made the sweet
How my
fried
baby's
rice.
birthday went.
This fried rice was all
Assistant
yummy,
cooker.
it was so yummy. So I'm going to be taking you on how I made this fried rice.
My
So
assistant.
I'm having my carrot, my green peas, and my son was actually helping me. So guys, I'm here. This I'm slicing it with a knife. You can use your grater to do this if you don't want to use a knife, but I like to use a knife because it's way easier and faster for me. I just have to cut everything in tiny bits so it will be very equal. So after that, I went ahead to fry my meat. I already fried the meat separately, so this is just the one I'll just fry on top of the rice. So I already used the turmeric to parboil the rice. So I didn't show you the turmeric. You can just go to the market, ask for turmeric for fried rice. I'm going to give you. It's actually, is it yellow? I don't know the color. It's yellow in color, yes. So I already used it to parboil the rice. When it was boiled, I went ahead to filter out the water because we didn't want to have that taste of turmeric in the rice. So I just filtered out the water, washed it, then went ahead to fry my meat. After frying my meat, the rice is done. Then I went ahead to fry the green peas, the carrot and pepper, everything together to add to the already cooked rice. After I finished my boiling the rice, I went ahead to cook the rice with the meat spas. That's the meat broth, that's the meat water that came out after boiling the meat. So after doing that, I used the water to make the rice. So it's not like a very detailed video, but it's just the very simple steps to make fried rice if you're in a hurry. So after that, I went ahead to fry all of this together. This is a very easy method to make fried rice. Okay, so after frying all of this together, I added my seasoning cube, my seasoning cube. You can add your seasoning cube to this broth as well if you want. If you don't want, you can just add just salt and pepper. After that, I'm going to be pouring it in the rice. So the rice has already been, the rice is ready already, so I just added some fresh carrot. Then I'm going to be adding the ingredient that I fried. So I'm going to add everything together. After adding everything together, I'm going to go ahead to turn everything, mix everything together. So you see, I'm taking my time. I don't want anyone to be left, so I went ahead to just turn off this rice. And you need to, by the color of this rice, you need to see, you need to taste the heavenliness of this rice. It's so yummy. People that ate this rice, all my siblings, they confirmed it that this rice was one it down, and they equally learned this recipe from me because it's a very easy recipe, and this method are going to come out with a very sweet fried rice here. Yeah, that's my fried rice in a very simple easy method. And this fried rice was made for my son's birthday, and the children loved it, everybody loved it. So this them said they wanted to have a taste of the rice, and this is the rice. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.